Good day, Grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 4, Day 3. Our topic for today is reading and writing centavo values. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Identify each centavo coins in its value. We have 25 centavos, 5 centavos, 10 centavos, and 1 centavo. Lesson purpose intention. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to read and write the value of a number of centavo coins in both symbols, centavo sign, and words. Lesson language practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Martin is counting all the centavo coins in a small donation can from his store. These are the centavo coins found in the donation can. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Below are possible ways for determining the amount of centavo. Solution 1. We can group the centavo coins to make whole pesos. For example, 4 centavo coins make 100 centavos, which is equal to 1 peso. Since we have 8 25 centavo coins, we can make two groups of 100 centavos or 2 pesos. Then we add the remaining 35 centavos. So, 235 cents is equals to 2 pesos plus 35 cents. 2 pesos plus 35 cents is written in words and read as 2 pesos and 35 centavos. For greater understanding, here is the illustration of what being said. Solution 2. Number 1. Skip count to find the value of each type of centavo coins as follows. For 25 centavo coins, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. For 5 centavo coins, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. For 1 centavo coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the amount of 25 centavo coins in the donation can is 200 cents. The 5 centavo coins amount to 30 cents, and the 1 centavo coins adds up to 5 cents. Number 2. Afterward, ask the learners to add the amount for each type of centavo coins. 200 cents plus 30 cents is equals to 230 cents. 230 cents plus 5 cents is equals to 235 cents. Therefore, the amount of centavo coins in the donation can is 235 cents. For better understanding, here is the illustration or the chart of the discussion. making generalization and abstraction. How do you write the amount of centavo coins in symbols? For centavos, write the amount followed by the centavo sign. When the centavos reach 100, express it as a whole peso. How do you write the amount of centavo coins in words? Writing the amount of money in words follows the same process as writing numbers in words. The only difference is that when writing money involving centavo, we include centavos at the end. When the amount of centavos can be expressed as whole pesos, spell out the amount of pesos followed by pesos. To separate the pesos from the centavos, use the word "and", then spell out the amount of centavos followed by the word centavos. Evaluating learning. Complete the table below by writing the amount of centavos in either symbol or words. Here is the correct answer.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!